How do you pronounce Ogham? Have you ever come across the word Ogham and wondered how to pronounce it? This ancient Irish script, often referred to as the tree alphabet, has a fascinating history and cultural significance. The pronunciation of Ogham is primarily O-H-M or O-H-M, with the emphasis on the first syllable. This is the most common way to say it among those familiar with Irish culture and language today. When we break it down further, the pronunciation in modern Irish sounds similar to English words like home or foam. The middle GH is generally silent or softly pronounced, so it does not sound like a hard G. You will find that the word is typically spoken as one syllable. However, in Scottish Gaelic, it may be pronounced with two syllables, sounding like O-H-M or O-H-M, with a slight pause between the sounds. Historically, the spelling of Ogham was Ogham or Ogham, and in Old Irish, the G was pronounced differently, more like a soft gargling sound. But this is not how we say it today. The modern pronunciation simplifies this and focuses on the smooth sound. It is important to note that saying it as Ogham with a hard G is not correct and does not align with either historical or modern Irish language usage. For travelers in Ireland who are interested in Irish culture and art, especially when visiting sites with Ogham inscriptions or looking to buy Ogham-engraved jewelry, using the correct pronunciation, O-H-M, will be appreciated. It shows respect for the heritage of this ancient script. Ogham is not just a writing system. It holds a significant place in Irish history. Often seen on standing stones and monuments across the Irish countryside, it represents one of the earliest forms of written Irish. So, the next time you come across the word Ogham, remember to pronounce it as O-H-M and connect with the rich cultural legacy it represents.